It's time to pour it in. Okay, yeah, pour it in. Okay, now let Crystal pour the other one in. So, here. Yeah, hold the camera.
Okay, Crystal needs help. So Crystal's pouring it in, and she's so excited. Hello, Crystal. What are we gonna do right now?
Pour it in.
Pour it in.
There you go.
Oh no!
Hey kids.
How will that happen? Or how will that work? We're going to have to shake this, seriously.
A little bit. No,
Look inside.
Okay, that's good now.
If you can look inside. It's very, very snowy. Now it looks like snow. Great.
Yeah, there you go.
Make it snow. Just make it snow. Yay! It's snowy. I'm not sure that will work, Crystal. I'm not sure.
Okay.
Whatever. Never mind. Okay.
Little spill there.
Yeah, but we can wipe it off. Make it snow.
Okay.
Now what are we going to do now? Look inside. It's snowing. Look inside. It's snowing. Look inside.
Yeah, we'll clean it up.
Kailangan nyo pa to?
No.
Okay, let me see.
Oh no. Baking soda spill. Hey Kevin, can you hold the camera now, please?
And press eject.
Okay, yeah.
Can you please?
Don't let me pour it in, then you, no wait, okay.
Hold the camera. What do I have to do?
There, 2 squirts.
2 squirts. Okay.
Wow, okay, that's good.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
Okay, there you go. Okay, hold the
Ooh,
camera
look
up.
inside.
Yeah. Pag gusto nyo kumain pa, pwede mo lang siya dito.
Look.
Okay,
It's very, looks like pink.
okay.
So sad.
Kasi maniligo na ako eh, ha?
Okay. Go out a little more.
Okay. Out.
There you go.
Okay.
Okay, pouring in the vinegar in.
Okay.
Watch out, Crystal. Go on here.
Excuse me.
Go here.
I'm so scared.
I think that's a little too much this soap.
I guess we'll never know.
What?
I think that's a little too much this soap.
Oh my goodness. I'm scared.
Oh, it's going.
Oh my goodness.
It's going.
Skills, Crystal, skills. Crystal.
There it is.
Run.
Oh my god.
Oh my gosh. Oh. Yay. It's
Galing
tricked. Oh.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, no.
Oh no.
Oh no, that guy's not falling off.
Yep. That's why we put wax
Oh
paper.
my goodness. It's so, I really want to do this again. Seriously.
Yeah.
So fun.